Hello guys, in this video you are going to see how we can show a text with a icon in SwiftUI. Now to find a icon you can use the software called SF Symbols. To download this software you can refer the video description and visit that link, then click this download button. The software will be downloaded. So after installing that you will see something like this. Now you can select the category, otherwise you can search here. I will search person and then let's select this one and then right click on it, then click this copy symbol. Now here I'm going to just remove these and then type label. Instead text component we are going to type label. The first argument you have to pass in the text that you want to show. I will say employer, and then the second argument we have to pass in the system image. So as a string you have to paste that icon name, okay, not symbol. You have to copy name and then paste that here. So you can see the icon is appears there. So if you directly put the icon instead, you will see just the text. So you have to paste the icon name here. You can just select and then copy name. You have to select the icon and then right click, then copy name and then paste that here as the second argument. Okay, I hope this video helps. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.